Perform every 8 hours. Check all safety components to ensure proper function. Check air system filter lubricator. Inspect for air leaks, drain water separator, check lube level. Clean and lube Thompson shaft. Ensure it is free of dirt and condensation at the end of each day. Vacuum benders to prevent scale and dirt buildup. Perform every 20 hours. Grease main and pinion bearings via grease fittings on front of benders. Grease bearing for travel encoder idler shaft. Perform every 40 hours. Check belt tension for conveyor rollers. Grease discharge arm bearings. Check for leaks at bend gear boxes. Perform every 200 hours. Grease bearings for conveyor rollers. Perform every 2,000 hours. Drain and change oil in bend gearboxes. Use Shell OMALA oil 150 or equivalent.